I offer up this smoke prayer to you, Great Spirit, Mother Nature, ancestors, spiritual community, for gratitude, deep gratitude for all the abundance and assistance, for all the rescues and guidance and protection. More than ever now, I ask for your assistance. All the beings and forces of spirit and nature to co-create with me heaven on earth, here now and hereafter, in such a way that serves the highest good and nothing contrary. A tribe, a system of self-governing and a means of exchange, shelter, water, food for everyone, medicine, and mostly an ever-deepening connection with you, Spirit of all. Allahu Akbar, Creator, Wakantanka, Mashallah, Okaheya. And so it is, she says.